In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook Marketplace ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular marketplace listing into a boosted ad that reaches more potential buyers. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. On the upper right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, choose Marketplace. Depending on your version of the app, you may also see a Marketplace icon at the top of your home screen. Either route takes you to the same place. Inside Marketplace, go to the Selling section. This is where all your current and draft listings live. Tap Create Listing to start. If your app shows a sample item, tap that, then choose Edit Listing so you can customize it for your own product. Both paths lead you to the same editor where you'll build the ad. Add your visuals by tapping Upload Photo. Use clear, well-lit images that show the item from multiple angles. Photos are the first thing viewers notice, so keep backgrounds simple and avoid heavy filters. Next, fill in the item details. Write a straightforward title, set a fair price, and include an honest description that answers common questions like condition, size, and what's included. Accurate details help reduce back and forth messages and attract serious buyers. Now scroll to the bottom until you see Boost Listing. This switch turns your listing into a paid promotion, allowing it to reach people beyond your immediate followers and local searches. Toggle Boost Listing on. You're not launching the ad yet, you're just enabling the promotion option for when you publish. When everything looks good, tap Publish. At this point, Facebook will prompt you to select a budget. Choose the amount you're comfortable spending and review the duration if shown. A modest daily budget is fine to start. You can always adjust later based on performance. Keep an eye on estimated reach to understand how many people might see your boosted listing. Finally, tap Promote Now. That confirms your promotion and pushes your listing into the ad system. Your item will begin gaining visibility as Facebook delivers it to people who are more likely to be interested. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Respond promptly to messages to keep your ad momentum, refresh photos or wording if you're not getting clicks, and make sure your item complies with Facebook's commerce policies to avoid disruptions. With clear photos, accurate details, and a sensible budget, your marketplace ad will be set up for success. That's it. Your Facebook Marketplace ad is live and working for you.